Are you looking for the best electric scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AOVOPRO M365 Electric Scooter. Visit the AOVOPRO brand shop to shop the entire AOVOPRO assortment by clicking on the AOVOPRO logo above. The power is 201 500 W. Our product is made in CN origin. The range per charge is 40 to 60 km. The applicable people is unisex. The voltage of our product is 36 V. The tire size of our product is 8.5 inch. M365 Adult 36V Folding Electric Scooter. The M365 Adult Scooter is specially designed for adults, teens and adults. With its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily carry it in your car or office while traveling. AOVOPRO electric scooter is equipped with smart sensors, which can be connected to the power of the mobile phone. The AOVOPRO adult scooter is designed to give you the freedom to ride in an urban neighborhood without disturbing others. The scooter is waterproof and can be used for a long time. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The electric scooter is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, which is durable and has a long service life. The brushless motor can increase the friction between the electric scooter and the ground, which makes it easier for children to ride. My S80 just came in this morning, and this thing is straight fire. Way better than I expected. Goes faster than expected, is better quality than expected. The app is awesome and lets me govern the speed, so happy I chose this. Easy commute to work and back, and fun all the way. Thank you guys so much. I was surprised how quickly the product came. Is made of good material. I recommend it very much, meets the expectations I love. Thanks. Number 2. Commuter Folding Electric Scooter. Equipped with a powerful 350 watts motor, the electric scooter can reach up to 19 miles per hour, and travel up to 19 miles. Our intelligent battery management system ensures battery safety and extends battery life. Up to 21 miles on a 3-hour fast charge. Ride in comfort using the rubberized grips, handbrake, the rear mechanical disc brakes to ensure braking safety. Front and rear shock absorbing 8.5 inches honeycomb tires provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. The main body adopts aviation-grade aluminum alloy, weighing 28.6 pounds, with a one-step folding system for easy portability. H7 electric kick scooter 350 watts can be folded with ease in 3 seconds. You can carry it on public transportation, store it in your car with the LED display, Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, select riding modes and mobile app connectivity for additional security. Super bright LED headlights ensure safety when riding at night. Battery cases IP54 waterproof design. APP wireless control scooter. Turn on, off the electric kick scooter, speed/battery/mileage display, light switch, cruise on, off and etc. setting. The mobile phone is your dashboard, and the current riding speed and remaining power can be viewed in real time. Number 3. AOVOPRO ESMAX Electric Scooter. Aluminium alloy frame and waterproof body ensure durability in all weather conditions. Easily foldable with a lightweight design, perfect for on-the-go transportation. Dual brake system with front drum and rear electric brake for swift, secure stops. 35-45 km range with a 14.5-hour lithium battery, ideal for extended rides. Powerful, 500 watts motor, climbing range 30 degrees. Metal bell design, loud ring bell, easy to operate. Sine wave motherboard, accelerate and brake more smoothly. Safety, unique on the market, much better than other square wave motherboard model. App, speed/battery/mileage display, APP lock for scooter, light switch, scooter switch off, cruise on, off, scooter speed 0 and non-zero start, automatic shutdown time setting. Colorful LCD display to show the scooter speed/mileage/condition. Color available in black and white. One button, switch on, off, speed adjust, light switch on, off cruise function, make driving smart and relax double suspension, no inflation, no puncture, comfortable and safe. Number 4. Adults Electric Scooter. The GORE-TRAX Adults Electric Scooter is designed with a 250 motor, can reach up to 15.5 miles per hour and 912 miles. Designed by 36 volts 5.2R 187.2 watts high-capacity battery, which can provide a max 12 miles range, under the best conditions on flat roads. The battery life is reliable for your long daily commute. 8.5 inches inner hollow tire provide excellent shock absorption even when riding over bumpy roads and speed bumps, making riding comfortable. Headlight provides better visibility when riding at night. All of this makes riding easy and safe. Multifunctional LED display and one-step folding system. The scooters feature an LCD display that indicates speed mode, range, battery status, cruise control and headlight icons, so easy for you to see and control. The adult scooter frame can fold down easily and locks for easy storage. GORE-TRAX has 365 days of limited warranty, so there is no need to worry about the product's after-sales problems. Worthy you to buy. PLS contact us if you have any questions. Number 5. Pneumatic Electric Scooter. GORE-TRAX Eclipse Ultra Electric Scooter is designed for daily commutes and outdoors. With a powerful nominal 500 watts motor max 750 watts. The Eclipse Ultra scooter reaches 20 miles per hour and up to 38 miles and has a max load of 264 pounds. The scooter has 2 gear speed settings: Gear 1, 15.5 miles per hour, Gear 2, 20 miles per hour, and cruise control for a smooth and comfortable ride. We suggest you check the tires once a month and inflate tires in time to ensure that the tire pressure is 210 kPa/30 psi. This sturdy scooter is equipped with 10-inch air-filled tires and features front and rear dual suspension that provides fantastic comfort and stability, even on uneven roads or speed bumps. It features a front and rear double disc brake lever and ESMAX brake for braking safety, a bright front headlight for better visibility at night, and red taillights that flash when you brake, making it safe to ride at night. This commuting electric scooter comes with an electric code lock and it can protect the safety of your scooter. This electric scooter is equipped with a rear shelf. You can put helmets, packages, shopping items, backpacks, and raincoats on the rear shelf of the scooter, and you will find that it will turn into a smart minivan. The scooter features an LCD display that indicates speed mode, range, battery status, cruise control, and headlight icons, so easy for you to see and control. With the quick folding system, this e-scooter can be easily folded in 1 second to store in the trunk. To ride your scooter safely, put one foot on the scooter and the other on the ground to push off. Once you go faster than 1.8 miles per hour, you can use the accelerator to control your scooter.